Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Indesit washing machine, W133. Quite an old one, I'd say. This one's not the cleanest. Nevertheless, let's have a look at how we do the lint filter. Down on the bottom here is a fascia panel. I've got a flat bladed screwdriver and I'm just going to pop that down. Hopefully your one is not as dirty as this. Pops down on the top and then lifts up on the bottom. And over here is the filter. So I've got a bowl. I'll unscrew that. This water stinks. And in reality, that's quite clean. There's nothing in there. A little bit of fluff in the bottom, but that is no major deal. Give that a check, reach in. You can feel the little blades of the impeller there. Let's get a closer look at that. And there they are. There's the propeller blades that pump the water out. And to put it back together again, just take the filter, offer it in, screw it up. There's a dead spider there beside me. And then to get the fascia back on, we've got 3 tabs on the bottom. Pop them in. And snap it shut. Job's a good one. Thanks for watching. See you later.